How to make TikTok videos. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to make TikTok videos step by step. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the TikTok app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you are inside the app, just tap on the plus icon which can be seen in the bottom center of the screen. And now here, once you tap on it, you'll be prompted to the camera section. Now here, once you see the interface like this, you can simply take the video and there you'll see the options like 15 seconds, 60 seconds or 10 minutes depending on your device. So choose how long you want your video to be. So short clips usually perform better. So here you can either record directly by pressing and holding on that record button, or you can simply upload a clip from your gallery by tapping on upload. So here you can record multiple clips in one video and TikTok will automatically join them together. And here, once you have selected the file, you can simply add sound at the top of the screen. Here you can search for the trending songs, effects, or use your own original audio. And music will help your videos reach more people and pick something catchy in your video as well. And here with that, you can also use icons on the right to add filters, speed, control, and the beauty effect as well. And here you can also try effects at the bottom of the screen for fun transactions, slow motion, green screen, or special effects. And here, once you are done your video, then you can simply tap on next. And now here in this section, don't forget to write a short catchy caption and add hashtag like hashtag FYP or hashtag TikTok tutorial. And here once you're done editing, and here once you're done adding catchy titles to it, you can simply tap on post to publish it. And that's it. That's how you can make a TikTok video. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.